Good morning! Welcome back to Knitted Home, where I show you how to make beautiful patterns with beginner skills. Today I want to show you how I like to hide my knots while I crochet. For this video, you'll just need any crochet project that has a knot or tail that needs to be woven in. I'm pretty lazy when it comes to weaving in my ends at the end of a project, so I've learned to weave them in as I go. I'll walk you through how I hide my beginning slip knot tails as well as my tails in the middle of a project. Remember to like this video if you found it helpful. This lets me know what videos you like to see. Also subscribe by clicking my logo in the bottom right corner of your screen if you'd like to see more upcoming videos like this one. For a slip knot tail, the only difference from other knots is that you'll need to create some fabric before you begin to weave it into your stitches. So work up a foundation row or two, and then you can get started on hiding that knot. When you come to your knot, lay the tails on top of your upcoming stitch. Go into your stitch like usual, wrap your string around your hook, and make sure that the tails are laying inside your new stitch walls. This creates like a tunnel effect around your tails. Go ahead and yarn over and pull through your stitches, encasing those tails inside the tunnel. Keep doing this for as many stitches as you need to completely hide and cover your tails. Then you just continue crocheting as normal in your pattern. And slide these down if you need to. So the string is going to go around it. For knots in the middle of a project, I like to do a triple overhand knot to keep the strings from slipping out. Sometimes I'll trim these tails closer to the knot, but these are a perfect length. Keep crocheting until the knot reaches your fabric. Lay these tails across the top of your stitches, just like we did before, and go into your first stitch. Lay the knot on top and wrap around, making sure the tails stay in your stitch tunnel. See that knot hiding in there like a tunnel? Through and tight, and because it's so short, I only need one stitch. There you go. I hope this video has been super helpful, especially showing you how I like to hide my knots. Remember to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe by clicking my logo below. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the comments below or on my next video.